I decided to buy this little test to test the purity of my water, and according to this, my tap water should be between 200 and 400 ppms. But you guys, my water was clearly off the charts. I thought maybe the test is broken, and since I have well water, I thought testing my lake water would be a good indication, and to my surprise, y'all, the lake water was way better than my own water, so I definitely had a problem. My official water lab test showed that I had traces of uranium, arsenic, lead, and a bunch of other crap in my water. So I solicited the help from Aquasana, and they sent over this RHINO well water whole home water filtration system. And y'all, we're bringing out the big guns now. This filtration system comes with the RHINO filter, which extends the life of your system and it inhibits bacteria and algae growth. And this filtration system is made up of sequenced stages. So I'm getting a high level of filtration at each stage. Now, we decided to test the water out after we got it all installed just to see if it's really doing anything. And as you can see, we went from 2,500 ppm down to 1152, which really, y'all, is good because the water still has to go through the post filter and the UV filter. The post filter is like a polishing agent and it reduces any of the remaining sediment. And then the UV filter comes around and sterilizes the rest of that bacteria. All thanks to Aquasana.